Hi everyone, welcome back to Burns Hustles, where we help you turn side hustles into cash. So talking about travel writing again today, and of course travel writing doesn't have to be a side hustle. That might be the way you want to start, but it can be a full-time job. Even with Chat GPT and AI, I think you can use AI to help you. So I think you can use it to help you with your career, make it easier in a lot of ways, especially for research and things like that. So yeah, make sure that when you write and you travel, that you immerse yourself in the experience. So you don't want to be staying, just at a luxury hotel and not engaging with the local people. It might even be better to stay at cheaper places where you can talk to some other travelers more easily, like at a hostel or a guest house, find out where they've been, what was interesting. I'm talking about more off the beaten path places, so places that aren't in any current guides. What can you learn? So yeah, make sure you talk to the locals, learn a bit of their language if possible, and really immerse yourself in the local culture. And when you do, make sure you take detailed notes, observe and take detailed notes about what you see, hear, feel, taste, smell, everything, and the good and the bad. Make sure you mention everything, but I would try to be positive, have a positive bent. Make sure that your writing is unique and interesting. People don't want to read the same old thing, so discover your unique voice when you write, and I think you'll develop that the more you write, the more you practice. And I would keep at it every day. Try to keep writing every day, make it a habit. You will improve. Of course, read good writers. They will improve your own writing, ironically enough. So yeah, create a compelling narrative structure. Use vivid descriptions and sensory details. So really try to make it so that your readers are taken to the location with you. Show, don't tell through anecdotes and personal experiences. So anecdotes are great, personal experiences are great. Avoid cliches, as I think I've said before in other videos and in my courses at Udemy. Also include practical information for readers, things that they will need to know. When is the festival? Where is it? How to get there? Bus times, train times, if you know that, although those tend to go out of date, but all the practical information that you can include. Be respectful and ethical in your writing. You may not agree with certain things, but be respectful of the culture and the country you're writing about. Try to either have a neutral bias or maybe a positive one to some extent. And make sure you edit and revise your work continuously. Hopefully you have an editor to work with, but if not, you are going to need to edit it yourself. And I usually write a piece 3 times and leave a few days in between to take a fresh look at it, and I'm always surprised at how many mistakes I've made. So yeah, make sure that either you or someone is going to edit it, and if you're going to do it, probably at least 3 drafts. And as I've said, yeah, read and learn from other travel writers, some historical, some of the present travel writers, and keep at it, don't give up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please check out my courses at Udemy, because I have a couple of travel writing courses there. So thank you for watching.